Hey Norm, so with the Property Connect investment funnel, I've made a new design on the variation page. So this is what it looks like here. I've just put the video in a pop-up now, so I'm going to go with that. I've changed the easy steps section here just so it looks a little bit nicer. Can you do the same with this version, the control? Using the same design here, so take that same background, should be in ClickFunnels with that same color overlay, and then this section to replace the easy investing part. So you could probably just clone this page actually, but I want to split test it with having the headline there, and then have the video and then the form like we have on this page, but just pulling over the same content and imagery and colors and that sort of thing from this one. So can you just do that? So it's basically going to be the same as this, except with the video and the form on the page rather than a pop-up.